Look, if you've ever felt completely exhausted by the idea of picking individual stocks, you are definitely in the right place. Today, we're mapping out a powerful, low-stress ETF blueprint. We're going to show you exactly how everyday people are building massive, compounding profit machines, sometimes starting with just $10 a day. Let's get right into it. Okay, let's dive into this. Because let's be honest, the stock market can be seriously overwhelming, right? There are literally thousands of companies out there, nonstop earnings reports, and a 24/7 news cycle that just never quits. But what if you could own the world's most profitable companies with just one single trade? No joke, that is the ultimate solution we are unpacking today. And to pull that off, we use something called an exchange-traded fund, or an ETF. Now, if you're new to this concept, just think of it like a giant basket of groceries. Instead of going to the store and buying just one single apple, which in the investing world would be like buying one share of one specific company, you buy a pre-made fruit basket that's packed with apples, oranges, bananas, the whole shebang. So an ETF is just a collection of stocks, or bonds, or other assets bundled into one single fund. And the absolute best part? It trades on an exchange exactly like a regular stock, which makes it super accessible for all of us. So why are ETFs our perfect building blocks? Well, first off, diversification. You are instantly spreading your risk across dozens or even hundreds of different baskets. Plus, the costs stay incredibly low. Since these funds generally just passively track an index, you aren't paying the hefty fees for fancy teams of analysts. Add in the fact that you can easily buy and sell them all day long, and you've got yourself the ultimate, highly liquid investment vehicle. It's a total game changer. Here's our blueprint for the explainer today. We'll start with core foundations for growth, move into tech and sector accelerators, talk about dividends and defensive plays, unlock the reinvestment profit strategy, and finally, execution, making it happen.
All right, starting with part one, core foundations for growth, the broad market base.
Every strong portfolio absolutely needs a reliable foundation, and this brilliantly illustrates exactly what I mean. When we look at top ETFs tracking the S&P 500, household names like IVV, VOO, or SPY, they've delivered historical 5-year returns right around 15.2%. But here is the real secret. Notice the expense ratios. Funds like IVV and VOO charge a tiny, almost invisible 0.03% management fee. To put that into perspective, almost all of that 15% return stays right where it belongs, in your pocket. This is your bedrock. Moving on to step 2. Tech and sector accelerators. This is about adding structural pillars to our blueprint. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the sheer explosive power of the technology sector over the last few years. Take a look at the VanEck Semiconductor ETF, ticker symbol SMH. It has seen a massive 60.67% 3-year return, largely driven by the booming AI value chain and powerhouse companies like NVIDIA and Broadcom. Meanwhile, the Vanguard Infotech Fund, VGT, is sitting strong with a 30.42% return. Adding a targeted sector ETF like one of these right on top of your core foundation, that acts as a massive accelerator for your overall portfolio growth. Next up, part 3, dividends and defensive plays. Think of this as installing the walls. Because, every good house needs walls to protect against the storms, right? For stability and income, dividend ETFs are incredibly powerful. Check out the Vanguard High Dividend Yield Fund, VYM, and the Dividend Appreciation Fund, VIG. They both offer fantastic 5-year returns, 13.6% and 12% respectively, and their expense ratios are well under 0.07%. These funds focus on companies that actually pay you cash simply for owning them. And if you want a true defensive store of value, the SPDR Gold Shares ETF, GLD, has historically provided an 18.4% 5-year return. These are the assets that keep your portfolio steady when the broader stock market gets a little bumpy. Which brings us to part 4, the reinvestment profit strategy, the compounding engine. So when you buy an ETF, you're often choosing between 2 different share classes, and this is a big deal. With distributing shares, the dividends paid by those underlying companies are handed straight to you as cash, which, hey, is really nice if you need immediate income today, but the real magic happens with accumulating shares. With these, that income is automatically reinvested right back into the fund. By constantly, automatically buying more shares with your dividends, your investments start generating their own returns. It's like a giant, unstoppable snowball of wealth. So the crucial point is that knowing exactly what you're buying changes everything. Take the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF available on international exchanges, for example. You literally have two different tickers for the exact same underlying assets. VUAG is the accumulating version and VUSA is the distributing one. If your goal is massive long-term growth and you don't need the cash in your hand today, choosing the accumulating option or, manually setting up a dividend reinvestment plan with your broker is absolutely your ultimate profit engine.
And finally, part 5, execution. Finalizing the blueprint and making it happen. Making this happen in the real world actually boils down to a super simple 3-step procedure. 1, find the ETF you want to buy. 2, figure out how much you can invest. And 3, place the order with your broker. And look, because modern brokers offer fractional shares, you absolutely do not need thousands of dollars to get started. In fact, let's look at the actual calculation and growth. Imagine building a portfolio of, say, 5 of these best-in-class ETFs we just talked about, mixing core, tech, and dividend funds, and you invest just $10 a day. That's literally the cost of a fast food lunch. With historical returns hovering around 10% and a solid dividend reinvestment plan actively snowballing, magic happens. That $10 a day grows into over $60,000 in 10 years and a staggering $220,000 in 20 years. Seeing a person get profit like that through exponential growth, that's exactly how everyday people build immense wealth.
And hey, you definitely don't just have to take my word for it. This exact strategy is backed by some of the greatest minds in financial history. As Warren Buffett famously put it, buy an index fund based on the S&P 500, since it includes the top publicly traded stocks. I mean, it really hits the nail on the head. It's simple, it's highly effective, and it completely removes the stressful guesswork. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Get out there, start that $10 a day habit, and take control of your financial future.